When you talk about 60,000 service interval servicing that I need to do, of course, there's a list of things that I might recommend you or propose you.
Hello, welcome to another episode of Pedal Drift Car Noob. So hi, today we are going to learn more about car servicing. There is so many things to learn about car servicing. Again, I don't know what to do about car servicing, so let's go!
It's like a loop machine.
Breaking news, a car has exploded. The explosion was so loud that the chicken at the chicken rice store get cooked immediately. I'm Kok Jing Sui, bringing you live coverage. Here we have a witness that saw the explosion. Hello, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Zhao Ji Wai. Zhao Ji Wai. Zhao Ji Wai. People ask me why, I don't know why.
I never asked you why. I never asked anything.
Then you are not people.
What the Mr. Chow, did you see the explosion?
Yes, just like everyone that is watching the video now.
Why was there explosion?
People ask me why, I don't know why.
This is Kok Jing Sui from SMLJ News, bringing you live recorded, not from the scene.
Today we are going to learn more about car servicing. Just now we saw the explosion. I smart Alec, I think it is related to car servicing. But I do not know anything about car servicing. However, we got KGC workshop to teach us what is car servicing. And with that, we got Fazli to teach us. Fazli, welcome!
It's like a loop machine.
Hello Fazli, I'm good. My name is Mr. Zhao Ji Wai.
Yes, nice name you got there, buddy.
Thank you very much. Please don't say it wrongly. If you say it wrongly, they have to put a chicken head here and then they have to censor it away. What is car servicing?
Alright, when we talk about car servicing in general, it's more about getting the old oil drain out of your engine, get the engine oil filter replaced, and of course, replenishing with a fresh new engine oil.
Oh, so the oil need to change.
Yes, of course.
Filter also need to change.
Yes, definitely.
Oh, I didn't know. But why do we need to do all these changes?
For your engine itself, in the internal part of the engines, there's so many high combustion movements of individual components of the engine. So you see, when we talk about movements, we are talking about friction. We are talking about when there's friction, there's heat involved. So engine oil is there to lubricate all these components. Therefore, when we talk about heat, the engine oil is there to absorb the heat as well. Yeah, so that's why maintaining a good engine oil is one of the vital things to do, or I should say essential thing to do to keep the health of the engine good.
It's like a loop machine.
I see. Now, if that's the case, I need to change the oil and everything, right? When do I need to change it?
Normally, when we talk about engine oil change, many of the workshops in Singapore, they will use as a 10,000 kilometers as an interval, or not, it's 6 months. Yeah, so even though your mileage hasn't reached 10,000, but as long as it's past 6 months or about 6 months, that's the time where you have to get your oil changed.
I see. Now, for example, I drive my number Ferrari, this special car that I'm driving, it has reached the mileage of 60,000 already. Now, is there any special thing that I need to come here and do?
Right, okay, when you talk about 60,000 service interval servicing that I need to do, of course, there's a list of things that I might recommend you or propose you. Yeah, you see, here's the thing. For every service interval mileage, there's a different set of things that needs to be done. When we talk about 60,000, of course, there's more like your engine oil, your transmission oil, your spark plugs. But this set of services doesn't need to do for every servicing. Yeah. So when we talk about probably after this 60,000 servicing, when we talk about 70,000 servicing, it's gonna be just your regular engine oil change.
Oh.
Yeah. So every service interval, there's a set of things to do.
If that's the case, then how much and how long do you need to do the car servicing?
Okay, for a regular engine oil change, the price starts from 118. it can be all the way to 188. Yeah. So the price differentiates in terms of the quality of the oil and also the brand of the oil. So we talk about non-synthetic oil, semi-synthetic oil, fully synthetic oil. Yeah. So different grades of oil. Of course, you want the better grades of oil. Of course, you're gonna pay more for it.
I see. Now, so just now we saw the explosion. I believe you're here, you never see the explosion. Everyone behind the screen now, they saw the explosion.
Okay.
Now, I'm very curious. If I never do car servicing throughout my whole life, my car has been so long, we never do car servicing, will the car explode or not?
I see. Okay, for this question here, I will say partially it can be due to that reason. Because you see, when you come for car servicing, it's not just about getting the oil change, it's about getting the car inspected and assessed to ensure that your car is safe to drive on the road. Yes, so you see, during the inspection, if let's say we saw any form of wear and tear parts, that's where we have to highlight to the customers. And of course, if this thing would to endanger the life of the customer while driving, of course, this is something that we have to propose the customer to get it changed ASAP. On top of that, leading up to your explosion issue, if let's say this thing were to be cut, if let's say this thing, what I can understand or relate to this matter is that probably the car is not well maintained, number one. So if like a leak of the petrol itself, if it's not recovered or it's not repaired, therefore it can lead up to these circumstances. So like I said, car servicing and routine checks is one of the vital key to upkeep your car to its best performance.
I see. From what I hear from you, it seems like the car coming for car servicing is like human going for regular health checkup. If there's anything, the doctor will be able to tell us, but we also don't know ourselves.
Yes, correct. You see, for medical terms, they will check on your blood. They have all these things tested via their lab and stuff. But for us, to understand more about your cars, it's all via physical assessment. Knowingly that this car is driven on a daily basis on the road, and it's more towards mechanical made stuff. So you expect breakdowns, expect wear and tear stuff. So servicing and regular servicing maintenance is very essential.
Wow, so it seems to me that you guys are like doctors, You got the GP, you got the specialist, and then we got the surgeon when you want to do all the motor thingy. Wow, so can I call you Dr. Fazli now?
Of course not, but for us, we can be more like your car consultant in terms of the advice needed for your car requirements or things that you need for your car. Those uncertain doubts that you have for your cars in terms of mechanical kind of thing, you can always approach us because we are here to give you the right advice. And of course, we love to educate our customers also in terms of their cars.
So there's so many more things that I need to learn about cars. Just today's episode is not enough for me to learn so many things. Now, is it possible that I come and kacau you more and let you teach me more about cars? Wow, thank you, Dr. Fazli.
No problem.
I believe those people behind the screen with all the Pringles and sprinkles, they want to learn more about cars also. So we get to learn more about all the in-depth knowledge of cars.
I see. Yeah, it's be my honor. It'll be my honor.
Thank you very much. Now I want you to do one thing with me. Okay. I want you to swap your hand to the right like that so that the editor, he will do the transition of the video.
Okay.
Ready?
Right.
1, 2, 3. Hello. I hope you guys have learned more about car servicing today. We will be going in depth into more about car servicing. Alright? If there's anything you want to learn about car servicing, type in the comment below and let us know. If not, if you like this video, click on the like button over here and remember to subscribe to our channel. Alright, I hope to see you at the next episode of Car Noob. Bye bye!